68 years of continuous hiccups, imagine that. Meet Charles Osborne, the man who hiccuped from 1922 to 1990, an extraordinary endurance feat that pushed the boundaries of human patience and biology. It all started with a bizarre accident involving a hog, triggering a relentless bout of hiccups at a rate of 20 to 40 times per minute. Despite countless remedies attempted and medical examinations, the hiccups persisted, only mysteriously vanishing 1 year before his passing. This strange saga of involuntary contractions challenges our understanding of the body's quirks and resilience. How did he cope with everyday life, speaking, eating, or even sleeping with this relentless interruption? Charles Osborne's life story is a testament to human adaptability, and it leaves us pondering the mysterious mechanisms that control such involuntary actions in our own bodies. What would you do if you found yourself in a similar situation?